Kitty! Kitty! Kitty, why are you acting weird? Kitty! Man. The face cam's on! Explain to me how I'm one Lego piece. Y'all are gonna stop. Yeah, you're done. Hope there wasn't no fentanyl in it. Are you pregnant? No, I just chugged a Warhead's green apple sour candy soda. Stomach hurt. Yo, it feels like there's a demon in me. Oh, I'm good. Make it stinky. Dominate me, Ted. Oops. Pee on me. Pee on me, Ted.
I'm gonna do like this one. I'm gonna do this one and this one. Oh, wait. Okay.
Ooh, foot smell. Like if you're actually in this scene. Oh my goodness, what? Yeah. 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 Look at me. And just swing around on webs all day. Roomies! Chat, this time, what is he doing? What are you doing? Are you... Nah, you got me messed up. Who do you think you are? Are you serious? You better go somewhere else! Is he standing on me?
There's probably like 1,000 people in here right now that would suck CASEOH's.
What? Yo, I gotta cut the stream off, bro. Yo. Oh, I'm about to pass out. No. Yo. Hey, chat, look at me. I'm a Minecraft villager. This is my only purpose in life. Like, bro, shut up, man. You ready to throw one, chat? Let's throw one. It's gonna be a... Please don't break. I can't do this. Chat, I can't stream. I gotta shut every... Dude, I cannot do this. I literally cannot do this, bro. Why did you tell me to play this game? What is going on? No. Eat it. Man. Hey! Where's the water? Where is it? No! 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 I'm not remaking nothing. Yeah. 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 Hey, you know I'll take that. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Hold up now. Where'd she go? Come back. Where'd she go? Come back.
Animal style fries at In-N-Out is really, really good, but I will defend my love for Wendy's Baconator any day. It's just that good.
Please don't give me a dumb
Hey, I'm Matt, and a little thing I love about the Chick-fil-A maple pepper bacon sandwich is the mix of sweet and savory. Every time you take a bite, you taste the sweetness of the maple bun, the smokiness of the chicken, the crispiness of the bacon. It's just kind of the perfect bite.
What did this dude just say? Bro gambles on his hoodie color every night, but 50 on watermelon, and he's canceled. Okay, sorry about the insult. I appreciate you so much as a comp. You look like JJ the jet plane. Wait, is that who I think it is? Why am I self-conscious about wearing hoodies now? Is this what I look like in a blue hoodie? This looks like Tycon from Bleach. Not another Bleach reference. Oh no. Not a Bleach reference. I gotta go take a dookie? Oh no! Oh, that taco. Oh my god. Yeah! Dookie on me already, Granny. Dookie on me. Hey, Granny, I see you. Hey, Granny, she looking good nowadays, huh? Golly. She's about to come running. Look at her. The footsteps heavy. Step on me, Granny. What? Granny, come back. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, Granny. I hope I dig up some dookie. I would literally let somebody like pee on me right now. I would rather a 500-pound man eat beans for 2 days straight than harness every one of his farts for 2 straight days into a jar. And I would rather somebody hook it up to a breathing machine and I do nothing but breathe that in for 2 days straight rather than play Valorant. What? I didn't do that. Give me a kiss. What? Ooh, juicy. Stop clapping.
All you want to, buddy. You ain't gonna be saying that when I'm farting on your forehead in the middle of the night, are you?
Just give me rat lungworm disease at this point.
Stop bouncing on it, Patrick. Not right now. I got plenty of tails in my closet. I don't need these tails, too.